It's all about rice. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making a simple salad, our zesty rice salad. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Cook rice according to package instructions. Once cooked, remove from heat and fluff rice with a fork. Take a moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other easy-to-make recipes. If you like what you see, subscribe and click on notifications to know when we release new videos. As rice cools, make the dressing. Pour olive oil into a jar or food processor. Add lime zest and freshly squeezed lime juice. Also add salt and paprika. Shake and jar or process in food processor. Crush and chop garlic. Place garlic into the salad dressing. Stir to combine. What's your favorite type of rice to eat? Leave your response in the comments below the video. Once cooled, place rice into a serving dish or a container. Pour half of the dressing over the rice. Combine until fully coated. Dice cucumber. Add cucumbers to the rice. Remove seeds from and dice bell pepper. Add bell peppers to the rice. Roughly chop peanuts and add them to the salad. Gently combine. If you are enjoying this simple salad recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Roughly chop cilantro. We use a lot in this salad. Add cilantro to the dish and gently combine. Pour the remaining salad dressing over the salad. Combine until fully coated. Serve cold or at room temperature. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.